Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on ByBit app. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your ByBit application and just simply sign in into your account. And from here, just simply go ahead and tap on assets down below on the right side. And from here, just tap on deposit. And from here, just simply tap on buy with USD. And from here, guys, just make sure that it is on a BTC over here on the top right. And from here, just make sure to select BTC. And now just simply provide how much do you want to buy. Let's say I'm gonna go for 100 USD. And from here, just tap on next. And after that, just simply select a payment method. And from here, let's say I'm gonna go for bank card and I'm gonna tap on buy with USD down below. And from here, guys, just simply provide the necessary information like your card details. And after that, once you have buy a Bitcoin, it will be showing over here onto your asset into your funding account. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.